Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Attorney Trixie Angeles. Sabi niya, so, acting Ombudsman Dante Vargas has allegedly issued a clearance for Secretary Boying Rimulya in spite of pending cases. If true, harap-harapan, garapalan. Okay, inattach ni Attorney Trixie isang sulat, parang concerned ombudsman employee sumulat kay Pangulong Marcos. Basahin ko itong sulat ha. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, we come upon you to beg for your help for your sense of justice and decency of our country, not just the president of a chosen few. Our acting ombudsman, Deputy Ombudsman for Visayas Dante Vargas, is burning our institution down, all for one man and one man alone. He is hell-bent on issuing an ombudsman clearance. In fact, he has already issued one, and in doing so, he has broken and twisted the office of the ombudsman. He has done illegal and evil things to achieve this singular purpose. He has dictated the issuance of an ombudsman clearance to Justice Secretary Rimulya by, number 1, dismissing the case filed by Senator Amy Marcos against him. Number 2, denying the motion for reconsideration filed by the latter in less than a day. Number 3, ito ang mabigat ha, ordering the undocketing of cases filed by acting Mayor Sebastian Duterte. Number 4, ordering to float the complaint filed by Attorney Ferdinand Tomasio. He revoked a May 2025 office memo with 10 days of retroactivity to cancel the dockets of number 3 above. Yet, he did not cancel the September 11 cases filed by Secretary Vince Dizon as well as other equally important cases covered by retroaction. Yet, the case against PCSO Chair Felix Reyes is still pending before the Ombudsman so that he may not be given a clearance. You first designated an acting Ombudsman, our Special Prosecutor, Marilo Consalan Castillo, former Justice of Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, a woman of honor, strength, and great resolve. But in less than a month, you replace your first appointee to the Ombudsman with an appointee of past administration and imbued him with one singular task. Why? SP Marilo Castillo refused to do your bidding to post haste dismiss the cases filed against Rimulya because she refused to destroy the institution that is the office of the Ombudsman. Please, Mr. President, we beg you, show and prove that you are the president of our country, not just a president of a few concerned OMB employee. So, it's an anonymous letter alleging na nag-issue na daw ng ombudsman clearance itong acting ombudsman kay Secretary Rimulya despite the pending cases yung isinampa ni Mayor Baste at ni Attorney Topacio. How true is this? Kung ako yung tatanungin, I'm sorry ha, basta anonymous, hindi ko masyadong bigyan ng pansin. Anonymous lang eh. Anybody can do an anonymous letter. Ako nga, nabiktima ako ng anonymous letter nung nasa serbisyo ako. Inireklamo ako na ang bahay ko is worth 6 million pesos. Ano pa? Marami akong bank accounts. And then, kung ano-ano pa, anonymous, pinadala sa office of the president. Then, binaba hanggang dumating sa AP, inimbestigahan ako. So, medyo na-delay yung clearance ko, promotion ko na ito ng full kernel. Inimbestigahan, wala. Yung sinasabi nilang 6 million worth na bahay ko, kapitbahay namin ay talagang mayaman. Connected din siya sa gobyerno, parang auditor ata ng probinsya. Maraming nagtataka, bakit nakabahay siya ng ganun? Yun ang inireport nila na bahay ko. Pinuntahan yung bahay ko, wala, nakita, picture. So later on, na-clear ako. Ang gumawa ay mga komunista, mga leftist na nilabanan ko nung todo sa Agusan del Sur nung battalion commander ako. Ganyan po. Kaya ito, hindi ako naniniwala. Maliban lang kung ang nagsabi, yung si Senator Amy. Kasi tinututukan niya ni Senator Amy. Pag si Senator Amy nagsabi na naisiwan na, wala na, delikado na tayo. Or si Mayor Baste, or sina Attorney Torion, papayag ba sila na basta ba dakited na eh? Palagay ko, I don't know. Basta, good luck na lang kay Secretary Boying Rimulya kung mabigyan siya ng clearance o hindi. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong.